Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Cold winter morning here, but what a great way to warm up with some jump rope. The new year is fast approaching, and in this video I want to share with you a jump rope workout that I often do. I find it really fun, and it's also fantastic for coordination. So let's get to it. I call this method the 3x5.
This style of jump rope workout is simple in that it only involves 3 movements, but it's difficult in that it challenges your coordination, your rhythm, and your timing. Basically, you choose 3 different jump rope movements or exercises. I chose double unders, regular 2-foot crisscrosses, and running crisscrosses. And basically, I performed 5 repetitions of each in a row without stopping, and I repeated that for approximately 80 seconds, and that was 1 set. And I took a short rest, about 20 to 30 seconds, and I repeated that 14 more times. So I did a total of 15 of these sets. So choose 3 different jump rope movements, perform 5 reps of each, and do them in a row, and just do not stop. Set your timer for maybe 30 seconds, a minute, maybe 90 seconds, and that would be 1 set. And then repeat that for say 10 sets, or maybe 15, or even 20 if you want. And maybe you might want to do more than 5 repetitions per movement. Maybe you want to increase to 10. Maybe you want to do more than 3 exercises. Maybe you might want to do 5 jump rope movements. So you can play around with this style of workout.